In today's world of content creation, inspiration can strike anywhere. Using nothing more than the tools in your pocket, capturing that inspiration couldn't be easier. This is Smooth Q2, designed to go anywhere and capture just about anything. Hey guys, I'm Brett. In this video, we're going to look at how fast it is to set up the Smooth Q2, how to control all of our footage, and how to really kick things up a notch using the ZY Play app. Let's start by getting our phone mounted. It might not look like it, but the phone mount itself fits a wide variety of phone sizes and thicknesses, including phone cases. Slide in the top portion of your phone and snap in the bottom. Once it's in there, be sure to lock it down using this red lever. If you need quick access to your phone, you can unlock this lever and take your phone out with the mount still attached. Just slide it back in, lock it when you're done, and you're ready to get back to shooting. Not too shabby. Now let's balance our phone. Achieving balance is really easy. With your camera lens facing up, slide your phone left or right until this roll axis doesn't move. Then, adjust the position of the phone mount until your phone remains level. Don't worry if it doesn't look perfect. With an impressive 260-gram capacity, the motors on the Smooth Q2 can pick up the slack and then some. Just for reference, my iPhone X with a leather case on it still comes in under 200 grams, leaving plenty of headroom. Power on Q2 by holding the power button for 3 seconds. If at any time you need to put the motors into standby, you can either push down the joystick for 3 seconds or simply rotate the gimbal into a portrait landscape. The indicator lights will blink to let you know you're in standby. To exit standby, just push and hold the joystick briefly, or flip your phone out of portrait mode. You're basically ready to start shooting, so if you're like super excited about it, then go shoot for a few minutes. We'll be here. But come back, because now we're going to take a look at the different ways to control Smooth Q2 and your phone. Indicated by these sets of lights, there are 5 different shooting modes: pan follow mode, lock mode, full follow mode, point of view mode or POV mode for short, and then vortex mode. To switch modes, press down once on the joystick to go to the next mode. To go to the previous mode, quickly press down twice on the joystick. Pan follow mode, the default mode, follows you left and right as you move, but prevents you from tilting up or down, giving you buttery smooth footage that remains level. To adjust tilt and pan follow mode, push the joystick up or down. Lock mode simply locks all movement, whether left or right, up or down. To adjust pan or tilt in lock mode, just use the joystick left, right, up, or down. Follow mode allows you to move left, right, up, or down, and Smooth Q2 will follow. Using the joystick, you can adjust the roll axis for some Dutch angle shots, or just to add a bit of creativity to your footage. POV mode takes it a step further by unlocking all axes so you can pan, tilt, and roll all at the same time. This is perfect for giving your footage a sort of handheld feel while maintaining the stability and smoothness of Q2. Now this next mode is a bit of a fun one. Vortex mode. Vortex mode shifts your phone's position and then allows you to capture 360-degree barrel rolls. This is a super fun way of adding a crazy new dynamic to your footage, so experiment with it and have fun. The last mode is selfie mode. Now you can use the front camera to record yourself, but oftentimes the camera on the rear of your phone offers much better image quality. Super cool. Now one really neat trick for Smooth Q2 is the new portrait mode. To enter into portrait mode, just rotate the whole setup to either the right or the left. You can also do this by hand. This mode is perfect for capturing regular portrait selfies or creating vertical social media content. Whenever you're shooting in any of these modes and you want to reset your phone's position, just double press the power button. One other really cool feature, ultra wide angle mode. Some smartphones are coming packed with ultra wide angle lenses, and that is awesome. Unfortunately, this roll axis might find its way in some of your footage. To fix this, when you're filming in follow mode or POV mode, just triple press the red record button and Q2 will stay out of your way. So that's how you control Smooth Q2.